Have you noticed how this niche is absolutely exploding right now? More and more people are jumping on this trend, creating simple videos and making thousands of dollars every single month consistently. Not just a one-time fluke, but month after month. And the best part? The opportunity is still wide open. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start creating these high-quality videos with minimal effort. You don't need advanced skills, expensive tools, or hours of editing. In fact, even if you're a complete beginner, you can start right away. All it takes is 30 minutes a day and you'll be pumping out stunning, professional-looking content that's ready to go viral. I know what you've heard, it's too hard, it takes too much time, or you need special experience. But trust me, that's just not true. Once you know the right steps, it's actually super simple. Want to get started? Here's how. Find a video or animation style you like and take a screenshot of it. Open ChatGPT and say, I want to create HD animated video shorts in this style. Please give me 8 prompts. ChatGPT will instantly generate powerful, effective prompts that help you create eye-catching content built to attract viewers and subscribers. Now it's time to bring that image to life. Open Google and search for Leonardo AI. Click the first link, log in with your Google account, no credit card, no fees, 100% free. Paste one of the prompts into Leonardo AI, check settings, hit enter, and boom, you'll get a stunning, Ultra HD animated image that looks like it was made by a pro designer. But here's the part you've been waiting for. Want to turn that image into a smooth animated video? Head over to Google AI Studio. Upload the images from Leonardo AI. Put the prompt. After checking settings, hit generate and boom. That's it. No complex settings, no extra steps. In just few seconds, it transforms your images into a high-quality animated video. It's fast, smooth, and still completely free. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. Then do it again with a new prompt. Create as many as you like, zero cost. So why pay for expensive tools when this does it all at no cost? Once you have your video clips, it's time to edit. Download Capcut from any free source, no payment or credit needed. Drag and drop your clips into the timeline. Add background music from YouTube's free audio library, it's copyright safe. Sync your clips with the music for smooth flow. Now spice it up with transitions for smooth scene changes, titles and captions for attention, effects like flashes, shakes, zoom-ins for impact, color correction to make visuals pop, sound effects like crashes or whooshes at action moments, slow motion or speed ramps for dramatic flair. Once you're done, export it in high quality. And just like that, your viral-ready short is complete. So, if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a trick like this again. Share it with your friends because everyone deserves access to powerful tools that don't break the bank. Let's create something amazing together.